Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save a route on Google Maps. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up the app and obviously enter in a destination that you want to go to. Then you can select directions. Obviously you can change the starting location if you want to do that as well. And once you're happy with that, just select save on the bottom right hand side. So once you've done that, you can come out of here, and if you click on new at the bottom of the page, you should see save trips. So all you need to do is click on there and you'll have that route for you already set up. You can also click on the three dots on the top right hand side and you can select add route to home screen. Then just select add on the bottom right. So once you come out of here and go back to your home screen, you should see this little car symbol with the Google Maps symbol on there as well. So you just want to tap on that and that'll give you the route for you. Thanks for watching.